Hi, I'm Colt Selleck from High House Stable Garage, and this right here is our 1954 International chassis swap on a 2003 F-150 frame. Let me bring you guys in. Factory fuel injection 5.4, 2-valve variant, 4-wheel drive front end, 5.4 F-150 transmission tunnel, and on both sides we're grafting the floor in right now. 4-door long bed frame with our 54 cab on top. We're basically aiming for a lowered truck, 4-wheel drive that looks like a 1954 short bed conversion, a whole bunch of stuff. But we still got a lot of work to do, so let's jump right into some floor work. Welcome to High House Stable Garage. Let me bring you in for a quick recap on where we gotta go. The floor, driver's side, is virtually done right there. The spots we're gonna focus on today, I think, are gonna be our firewall access points. Kind of trim this guy down, make them nice and clean, because we got a lot of overhang lip that we can kind of get rid of. As you can see, my whole fingers just kind of disappear into the void. We got a nice corner piece right here I kind of want to graft in, kind of round it in or something like that. It's not rounded from factory, but I think a rounded look will be better. And then we have this inside panel I want to finish up. That's kind of what the goal is for today, because we're starting late. It's rainy, you know. Side note too, guys. You guys might be wondering how much steel we're going through and how much welding wire we're going through. Well, this is an 8x6 sheet, or a 4x8 sheet of 18 gauge steel, non-galvanized. We're almost through that complete sheet. We're likely going to need another one just for the front end and the cab, and then likely another one for the box. As for welding wire, we've been through 4 rolls of welding wire right now, just the small ones. I would have to look at the square footage on what those do by the linear foot, but we're through 4 rolls of that so far, so it's only going up. But let's start working on this. Let's do the firewall first. I think if we solidify that, that's going to basically take out any little bit of flex we still have in the cab, and then everything from that point on is going to be straight gravy. So we did the first pass, as you can see right here, but I want to go basically as far in as possible, just so then we have maintenance room. One of the things that the 5.4 was never good for. So I was thinking on what the best way to cut basically right across the entire firewall is, and this is what I came up with. So as you can see, we're basically hugging the outside of all the spot welds, because that's basically all what holds this guy together is spot welds and glue. Kind of get you an underside shot. See what we're kind of dealing with? So we're basically going down to where that lip is, but I can cut all the way down that. Just that alone cleans that up tremendously. as you can see. We might actually knock this guy just a little bit down, just a little tiny bit. I don't think he needs to be that big, but as you can see, it's still fully welded together because it's just tacks anyway, but it cleans it all up nice. And now we can actually see the back of our engine, which is pretty crazy. You got a lot of extra stuff on top of these 5.4s that you don't need, but we'll do that in a separate video. Go through kind of how to clean these guys up. But for right now, that gives us really good access to the back of our firewall and everything here.
Let's go. Yo. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Alright, so we got our piece cut right here. We're gonna weld that guy in. So I think that's ready for cut and butt. Got a little bit of an overhang here, but we can take care of that. I also Zeused in this little guy over in the corner. So let me fully weld up these. All right, so we got this front section, a firewall all welded in. Let me bring you guys in and let's take a peek. So yeah, there you go. It's all fully welded in. A little bit of cut and butt. We're also doing a little bit of lap welding on the other side because I think a little bit more strength in this firewall will be nice. So a little more weld is going to kind of help brace it up a little bit. So now what we're going to kind of do is get up right in here and try to close off this big gap. All right, so we've been doing a lot of leg work behind the scenes there, getting a lot of the small stuff kind of situated. We have the whole firewall basically finished welded in, other than a gap here and a gap here by my finger. And then we kind of got to work on this little section, so let's start banging out some of that before this sun goes down. Alrighty, so we got all these guys finished welded in. Let's focus on the task at hand now. That guy right there. Alright, so we got our piece cut out here. It kind of slides in just like so. We're just kind of massage these corners around to fit that. So let's go cut that out of steel.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
So there we go. We got the piece all cut up. Kind of slides in just like so. So we're gonna tack, massage, cut and butt. Let's get cracking.
Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Alright, so we got all that pretty much seam welded in. We got basically a box holding on our brake booster and our master cylinder now. So now what we're gonna get are these little tiny pieces down through here. So I got one cut out. I quite like the old snap thing. So we're gonna snap our fingers and that's gonna be either tacked in or welded. I guess it depends on what I like. Alright, so we got this piece all tacked in. Let's see if we can get this one, that one, and that guy. There we go. We got that guy right there all tacked in. That pretty much wraps up this corner. So now we just got to kind of get up in here and then right there. And there you go. We got that little piece in. We're kind of running out of daylight, so we're going to have to wrap this up. And a lot of work so far just to where we're at. A lot of stuff down behind the scenes. A lot of the pieces I just kind of tack in the videos, but then you have about 2 hours of solid welding on top of those. So right now the cab takes a long time. I know it's been a lot of cab videos, but it's coming. It's coming down the pipeline that we're gonna have. Things are gonna start to fall into place. And when they fall into place, they're gonna fall into place fast. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys are enjoying the series so far. I will catch you guys in the next one really, really soon. All right, see ya.